Alright, here I have a Philips 222 electronic stereo turntable, made in Holland in the 70s. Got a smoky gray dust cover that stays up like it's supposed to. Let me take this platter off. You can see it's a belt drive. Belt drive system. The platter just pops right off. There's your belt right there, in fine condition. It has a Stanton 500 cartridge with a brand new needle. It is fully automatic, 2-speed, 45 or 33. Stop, start, cue up and down. It's got a nice feature where when the armrest is sitting, it tells you the force of the stylus on the record. So you want to put it down, it pops back up. It's only about 2. That's pretty nifty. Power button right here. It's been cleaned and serviced and lubricated. Dust cover in good condition. It's a pretty dark smoky gray. When I rub my hand over, it's nice and smooth. It has a crack right there. It's almost in the shape of a cross. It kind of goes from there to there. You can see it there. But like I said, fortunately, what we're doing, girls? That's my dog, sorry. Fortunately, it's got some swirly marks here. Fortunately, it's a dark gray, smoky cover, so it's not terribly noticeable. But it's there. So, let's see how the automatic feature works. Just press start. Tone arm goes over, needle goes down, and there we go. Press stop to stop it in the middle if you want to. I don't want to play too much. Of course, you can start it. I'll try to move it to the end of the record so you can see it does work when it gets to the end of the record as well. Automatic return and turn off. You can cue it up, over, down nice and smooth. There you go. So yeah, it's been serviced and it's in good shape. New stylus on that Stanton 500 cartridge. That's a nice turntable. Definitely got that 70s European look, because that's where it came from. And appreciate you looking. Thank you.